Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a wheel technician at Revive UK. My typical day will start off around about 8 o'clock in the morning, check the tablet, look at times of customers. For example, my first job, I would book them in for 9 o'clock, make sure the customer's okay with that, happy with that, and make sure that they're aware. Go through their wheels, depending on the damage of the wheel. It could take me between 1 to 2 hours per wheel, so per customer. I'd book the next customer for half an hour after I'd finish with that first customer. So then it will give my time for traveling and things like that, really. So we're here at the first customer. We're going to go and say hello, introduce myself, and then have a look around the car, see what damage that we've got to fix today. Probably get given maybe 3 to 4 jobs a day. So if it's 4 wheels, they'll probably book me in a day where it's only 2 jobs, but it's 6 wheels, or it could just be all single wheels where it's just 4 customers. Roughly probably get through between 8 and 10 wheels a day. With dealerships, the majority of the cars are 4 wheels at a time because the dealerships want them looking nice for their customers. When I took on the role at Revive, all the training was provided for me. I did come from having a bit of training before with the IMI side of it. Obviously, Revive being an IMI accredited unit, they can provide me with extra training if need be. If I need to go in and say, you know, I need a bit more training, then they are there to help me progress, give me more training and get me back on the road again. So the benefits of a smart repair can be that the job can be done within 2 to 3 hours. With a smart repair, you'll always have the same day turnaround. So no sending your car off to a body shop. We can go to your house, we can go to your workplace. Some of us carry generators on the van, so we can even sit in the middle of a field and fix your alloy wheel. It's always going to be quicker than a body shop because of all the technology that we've got nowadays. It just makes life so much easier, so much quicker, and the customers are always happy with it. Right, so first job is now complete. Now time to go and get myself some lunch, and then on my way to the next customer after that. What I love about the job is that I've got the freedom. I've got the freedom to get on with my day. I've got nobody looking over my shoulder. I've just got the freedom in the van to go ahead with my day, get cracking, and then get home after. So we've arrived at the next customer. It's a BMW 2 Series, an insurance job. So yeah, let's get sorted. So I can leave work at work when I get home, just because I feel as though I've done as much as what I can possibly do in a day. The balance of work life and home life is brilliant, really. I mean, we work a 9 to 5, so it's normal hours, and just like the timings that Revive give you for distance of your jobs, they'll only send you pretty much an hour max from home. So even if you are traveling from 5 o'clock to home, the latest you're going to get back is 6 o'clock. But then you've still got time to spend with your family as well. I love my job. I love getting out on the road, being on my own. For me, I just love the end results of what I've done. So seeing the customer happy, seeing the dealerships happy, and giving me more work, even dealerships ringing up Revive themselves and saying that we want Ben. As a wheel technician, I feel as though that I've progressed already. Even though I'm doing the same job as I did before, I've got a lot more knowledge now than I did before. Coming to Revive, I mean, they just treat you like family. There's always someone to jump on the phone to. There's always someone to go to if you need help. There's always something or somebody there that can help you and push you through what you want to do. So that's the last customer happy. So that's me on the way home.